Hey y'all, it's me, and y'all know we back in the car, but as y'all can see by that title, today I'm about to be trying to put on lashes, y'all, strip lashes for the first time. I've had like my lashes done only one time, like professionally done, and I haven't gotten them done in a while. Well, shoot, that was like over a year or two ago. But the girl that did them for the first time, I loved how she did them, but y'all, she ended up passing away, so I haven't been to anybody else to get them done. But y'all, check out my nails. Y'all know I love butterflies. This is the first time I ever got like nail art, so I just got them done today. And I got my feet done too. I just wanted something simple and plain for today. I had some feelings this morning, and y'all, the side of my mouth, my mouth looks so funny. I had to get on this side. Y'all can probably tell, especially when I do that, but funny. And I don't know what y'all talking about me in the comments, because I ain't gonna say I don't care, because I care. It be a lot of people in this Dollar General, and I want to record, but y'all know I don't record. I gotta get this little rinky dink mask, because I don't even know where mine at. Dang, I wish I had my AirPods. Oh, I got my AirPods talking act like I'm on the phone, but they're gonna be looking at me. To Dollar General we go. And the lashes by the front, so y'all know everybody gonna be right here. We got Christmas stuff out already, y'all. Look at this. Y'all, I don't know what. Oh, these are individuals. I don't need no individuals. That's cute. Let's get these. These may look too dramatic. I need to see what they look like. What about these? These look a little natural. Let's get these. It don't come with no lash glue or nothing. Just this. So y'all, Dollar General didn't have what I was looking for. Their selection was just, it won't really hitting on nothing. So I'm currently about to go to Walmart instead, in the front of the liquor store. Only me. Do y'all know I've only been in the ABC store like 4 times since I turned 21. And the first time I ever went into the ABC store, I was a couple of months pregnant with my oldest, but it wasn't really noticeable. And the bottle wasn't even for me. It was for one of my roommates, because she wasn't 21 at the time. That's sad. Comment down below, what age did you finally go in the liquor store? Clearly I can't record in here, so see y'all in a minute. We secured the bag. Now let's go to Walmart. Okay, see, now Walmart got a better variety, but baby, these prices, Oh, here we go. $5, and it come with the glue. And it said True Beginners Kit. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna get this and then check out. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from Walmart, and this is the one that I picked, which is the Kiss True Beginners Kit. So it say on the back it's only 4 steps. So let me show y'all. And this was like $5 and something. It came up to like $6 in total. So it has the steps on here. Let's see. I ain't gonna be able to do it with these nails. But I be seeing other girls put their lashes on with their nails, so if they can do it, I can do it. Okay. So, step 1 is find your perfect eye size. Place edge of measuring tool where the iris begins and find your size. What's the iris, y'all? Hold on. Y'all, what's the iris? Is the iris like that? So y'all, they give you a mirror. They give you the lashes, of course. They give you the scissors, the glue, the tweezers, and the little iris thing. So we're gonna do this step by step, y'all, because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so it say cut it, but I told y'all I don't want to cut. Y'all think I gotta cut? Do I have to cut these lashes? I don't know. We gonna cut. Oh, this what the iris is. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut. Okay. All right. So we gonna see what my iris is. Do y'all know where y'all? Okay. Here we go. Oh, this is hard to do with one eye. I don't know. I might not have to. All right, so this one is the right. Okay, so this one this one is the right. All right. Uh-oh, y'all. And I only got one thing. Oh. Y'all. I think I'm tearing it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm about to do, I got the lash. Y'all can see I got the lash. And I'm about to cut it. I'm guessing that this is what the iris is for. Y'all, this don't even. Let's see where I need to cut it at. Y'all, this is all right, I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm shaking. All right, so the next thing, they say cut it. And then we're gonna put some glue. Uh-oh. Oh, I done opened it wrong. Okay. Y'all, well, I got this. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put the glue on. All right, put the glue on. Then you gotta do this for both eyes. I don't like this. Not me concentrating. Okay, I got the glue on. And then just, all right, so it say, that's in another language. Step 3, place, this is in a whole different language. See, Am I supposed to let this dry? I can't even tell you. So where am I supposed to? That's gonna get on the glue. Okay, let's see. Y'all, can y'all see? Let me turn y'all this way. Look at this. This is a hot mess. I think I almost got it though. Let me see. Hold on, let me turn y'all back this way. Y'all. Look what his eyelashes. Look. How do y'all do this? Where am I supposed to put this freaking lash? On the iris. Find the iris. Yeah, I cannot. Girl. No, ma'am. No. This cute. Y'all like this? Y'all look at it. It's not even up there. Don't some girls put it on like when they looking like? Can't some? Let's see. I might need some more glue. Let's see. Let's put some more glue on it. Might be why it ain't sticking. Comment down below what I'm doing wrong, y'all. Because I know a lot of y'all probably hollering at the phone. Yeah, look at this. I know that's already been 8 minutes. And I ain't even got the first one on. What if I wore it like this? Would y'all talk about me? If I wore my lash like this? Because really, from a distance, you can't see that it messed up. But when you come closer, look. You know what, this I'm wearing. When you go places, it be dark anyway, and people not gonna be looking all in your face anyway, so boom. We did it, period. Period, boo. We did it. I really look different. But, look, y'all. This one look like it's right, but it ain't right. This one, y'all know completely wrong, but who gonna tell me? I can go out just like this. Nah, this one look like it's almost close. Up close, not at all. Not at all. But y'all, I really do want to learn how to put these on. But this right here was just an epic fail. I don't know if it's the glue. I don't know if it's the lashes. Or maybe it's me. But comment down below, y'all. Give me some tips on what is it the brand of the lashes? Is it, I'm trying to make every excuse except for owning up that I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But that's okay, because I tried. But y'all comment down below what's some different, I guess, I don't know, are these the right lashes? But it says for true beginners. Is this the right lash glue? Like, let me show y'all. Did I miss a step? Because this says, hold on. This says this the glue, y'all. Ain't this what they be doing? Focus. It says adhesive. It says strip eyelash adhesive clear. Is this the wrong kind of glue? Like, what do I need? I feel like I have everything here because it's a beginner's kit. But baby, I don't know. Y'all comment down below what I did wrong, because obviously I did something wrong. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below what I did wrong, because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of stuff that I did wrong. Even though the box said it's only 4 steps, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, it may be as simple as that. I don't know, but comment down below what I did wrong. Comment down below some different lashes that I can try, some different glues. Maybe it was the glue, maybe it was the lashes, or maybe it was just me. But I don't know. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. Comment down below some more video ideas you want me to do, and I'll do them. Or any challenges you want me to try, I'll do them if I can. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.